Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin now. Confirm the autoclave cycle shows complete and chamber pressure reads 0 kPa because pressure is the primary danger. Once verified, don heat-treated gloves and eye protection. Steam can remain hot for 10 to 20 minutes. Make sure to switch the program selector to idle, then slowly open the chamber vent one notch to let residual steam escape. This prevents sudden depressurization. Continue only after gauges stabilize and the external surfaces feel warm, not scalding. Once the venting is stable, open the drain valve slowly and collect condensate in an approved container because hot liquid carries contaminants. Make sure to switch off the heating element first, then enable the machine's drying or vacuum cycle if your model has one. This prevents residual moisture and microbial survival. Monitor the chamber temperature. When it drops below 50 degrees Celsius, unlatch the door slowly and keep your hands clear of the seal. If drying runs, wait until the cycle completes before proceeding. To finish, power the autoclave down by turning the main switch to OFF and apply lockout/tagout if your facility requires it. This prevents accidental restart. Conduct a quick visual inspection, clean and wipe seals with the approved disinfectant, and record the shutdown time in the log. If the chamber pressure does not equalize or the door remains stuck, do not force it. Follow the emergency vent procedure and notify maintenance immediately. Forcing the door risks explosion or severe burns, so wait for qualified intervention.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.